There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Oh my goodness.
Balloon is a great toy for dogs.